Selling on Wayfair is very easy, but when you will get some order for out of stock items, like you already put some inventory on your Wayfair Seller Central, but when you went to the warehouse, you saw there is no inventory. So in that case, you need to cancel these orders. And when you will continuously do this practice, like you are canceling orders for out of stock items, it will really and badly impact on your Wayfair Seller Central. And I know nobody wants that, right? So to prevent this issue, you need to upload your stock daily or twice a day. And you also need to know how to upload these Wayfair stock files and how you will prepare that. Hi, my name is Sakib from Ecom Clips, and in this video I'll show you how you can upload stock on Wayfair. So let's get started. So first thing first, you need to log into your Wayfair Seller Central. So in this page, you need to go to the left side, click on that icon, and next you need to click on inventory. From there, you need to click on inventory management. So now we are in the inventory management page. From there, you can see on the right side, there is a manage inventory icon. So click on it and there will be three options. From that three options, you need to select export inventory. And a new window will pop up. From here, you need to click on export and a file will be downloaded. So click on download files. So my file is downloaded and now I will open it, okay? So in this file, you have total 8 columns, and in this column, few of them you don't need to touch, like the supplier partner ID from Wayfair, supplier partner ID from seller, and you can see the quantity. So we will upload the quantity. So let's collect the quantity from our warehouse team. So now I calculated my quantity and I will replace the current quantity of that file. Save the file. Now I will go again to Wayfair Seller Central, the same page, inventory management, and from here you will see the manage inventory. You already know about that. So from here we will import the file. So click on manage inventory and select import inventory. And you can see a pop-up will come, and in this pop-up we need to drag our already prepared inventory file for Wayfair. So let's drag the file and upload it on Wayfair, and the Wayfair inventory is updated. So that's all for today. I think now you know how to upload stock on Wayfair. If you think you need more assistance, then you can mail us at info@ecomclips.com with this video reference. We have bunch of free resources and cool stuff on our website. You can check our website ecomclips.com. If you need more help, we are ready to help you. We are a full service e-commerce agency with 10 years of experience, and we have more than 300 plus e-commerce experts who are helping and managing thousands of business and their bestseller products. So if you need any assistance, you can just call us, the number in the screen. So call today. We are waiting for you. See you in the next video. Peace.